Good,
where
though.
we go.
It's so good.
So nice to see you.
Oh my gosh, it's so good to see you too. You know what, we're going to talk about Temp-tations, which is a brand that we have loved at the Q for 21 years. This is Lisa Lasort, and she is a vice president of merchandising and broadcasting for the brand. The bonus buy, we call it a pie plate, but it does so much more. And it's less than $20.
It's unbelievable.
What?
Server included. What?
Look at, and it's a stoneware server too. So really, of course I grabbed the doodle. But please, let's show the options if you don't mind.
Thing.
And then we'll dive into the brand and functionality and all those things, because we have woodland, doodle, and seasonals.
And seasonals. And the seasonals, as you know, are only available at this time of the year, the ones that we're showing. So should we start down there?
Absolutely.
Okay, for palm. Right?
I'm kind of squealing on the inside.
I see a key lime pie.
You know. There's only 140 in the palm.
Look how gorgeous that is. And that is that beautiful detail, and it's embossed and debossed. You can literally feel the palms or the froms all the way around, however you want to call it.
I love it.
I know this is your fave.
The Patriot. Oh, and there's an overhead shot too?
We got all cylinders firing.
There's how many in the Patriotic? I'm sorry, 600 in Patriotic. There's red, white, and blue there.
Can I do the reveal here?
Please,
I'm gonna wait for the overhead shot.
Next up.
Okay, cuteness overload. What?
I love, egg hunt is gone.
What?
Well, there was your reveal.
Well, that's what happens when I
the reveal and the remove, first time ever coincide. Hey, let's talk about Doodle Doo while I walk off the egg hunt.
Oh my gosh, our farmhouse chic pattern right there. So there's the red. Love the little cobblestone all the way around. Look at that, Bear.
1,300 in the red Doodle Doo.
That's it.
That's it.
Got it. Not sure if and when this is coming back.
Exactly.
And then the black. I love, love, love.
So
good luck in your kitchen.
Goes great with your floral lace black too. A whole mood. There's 500 left in that Doodle Doo black. So we covered some seasonals. We covered some Doodle Doo. Do we also have woodland?
Right here.
Hello.
Shall we do one at a time?
Yes, please. Woodland white, already popular, and we just started talking about it.
There's one for you.
Thank you. Only 750 remain in the woodland white.
Look at this. Buttercream. Look how pretty. Spring yellow.
Totally. You said 325 remaining. Yeah, 325 left.
The styrofoam does not come with it, so I'm going to take it out.
That's extra. There's 200 in gray.
And I love doing this together so you can see the difference.
Yeah. So 150 in the slate blue right here, and then in the gray we have 200 left. So it's $4 on Easy Pay.
Wow. Wow.
$4, and it's stoneware. It's Temp-tations stoneware.
That's right. That makes it oven safe to 500 degrees, microwave, refrigerator, freezer safe. But this is all about centertaining and presentation. So the fact that you're getting this beautiful round baking dish, sure, great for a pie, but it's also great for quiche. It's great for 7-layer dips. It's great for putting your burgers and hot dogs in. And then you get the coordinating server, which just amps it up another notch, doesn't it?
It's class on top of class on top of class. We are very busy. Please don't wait on any of the woodlands ever. That's our best advice. But when it comes to the functionality of Temp-tations, I mean, if it's beautiful, that's fun.
Sure.
But I need it to work in multiple capacities.
Yeah, and that's why for 21 years it's become a collectible, right?
Yeah.
Because it's all about prepping, cooking, serving, and storing. But with the partnership with QVC, this amazing value, right?
Less than, I'm sorry, did I say less than 20? I mean, think about it.
Hold on. We need a moment here, Mary. Look at this. Have the tall girl with the heels go to the oven. Here we go. Let me kneel down. I'll be right back. Here we go.
And I'll get that oven for you. Don't kick it. I'll get it. You're so good. You're so good.
But here's what we love about stoneware. Look, it's what our grandmothers used, their grandmothers used. Why? Because it works. It's naturally nonstick. So if you choose to do hot dishes in here, side dishes, like for Easter, maybe scalloped potatoes, something like that, look at the bubbling all around. What that means is that it's even heating all around. But Mare, I can't.
There it is.
Naturally nonstick. Look at that. My gosh, you can just pull it away from the sides.
Beautiful.
That means I'm not adding any extra fats or oils, right? It's a healthier way to eat as well.
I mean, I've used my pie plates from Temp-tations for pies, obviously, but for dips also, for quiches. You could even do nachos for 2 in here.
Or 1.
Hello.
Yes.
Let's go through our options, though, because this is a slammin' deal. It's actually a bonus buy, and we're super excited when we get to talk to you about a bonus buy first up in our our show, and today it's less than $20. There is the palm. And I have to say, I love the palm because obviously the season we're going into.
Yes, I love it.
But I love that the top is a matte.
Isn't it gorgeous?
Yeah.
That gives it so much texture and dimension. So when Tara Tescher, the CEO and designer of Temp-tations, designs a dish, everything is well thought out. How it holds in the hand. Should it have a coordinating accessory? What does the design look like? So there's literally a pattern and a color for everyone.
Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah. So that's your palm choice. Now the patriotic, red, white, and blue.
Love.
I mean, year-round, but especially perfect for barbecue season and beyond.
And that's where we take our classic Old World and Floral Lace, but we actually turned it right here into big fireworks. Like, it's so much fun.
I mean, 550 remain in the patriotic. It is popular, just so you know. But the doodle-doos, I mean, let's get into the symbolism and how lucky it is to have a rooster in the kitchen. Not a live rooster, by the way. That's just chaos.
That's a little chaos.
But the symbol of the rooster in the kitchen brings you good luck.
It does. And red, it's great to have a pop of color in your kitchen.
Yeah.
So think about putting a piece of red. It's that farmhouse chic. Everybody loves it because it's that modern, updated rooster style now.
Yeah, for sure. There are 1,300 left in the doodle-doo red. Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah. And black, there's 500 remaining.
Wow. Okay. Well, and did it...
Oh, gosh.
Oh,
okay, so those are your doodle-doo choices. We're diving on into woodland, and they're found right here, the 1, 2, 3, 4, right here at the end of our table. But the white woodland, do not wait. It's the most popular, and now there's fewer than 700.
Okay, got it. And Mayor, just so you know, we have an hour show at 5 p.m.
Okay.
We have this in the show.
Hope so.
I mean, that's kind of what I'm saying. I'm giving an SOS to anyone who's listening.
That's exactly it. Slate blue, we have 100 remaining.
So I love this for a spring table because it's sort of that periwinkle feel. It takes that beautiful gray but adds the softness of the purplish blue.
I just got an update that said, doodle, don't wait on it. Stop it.
You're not allowed
Actually,
to
don't
laugh.
stop it. Keep it coming. We have the black doodle-doo and the red doodle-doo, but we also have the buttercream in the woodland.
Love.
There are fewer than 300 in the buttercream. Don't forget the white woodland going quickly, and then we have the woodland in the gray. Fewer than 200 in the gray, and then the slate blue. We still have it for you, but there's only about 100 remaining.
Okay.
Okay, so 5 o'clock. Hope it makes it.
Yes.
But you do get the server and the dish itself for $19.98, and that price is gone tomorrow. So do not wait on them. And I mean, think about it, like, you know, whether you're a household of 1 or 2, or you're a household of more than, or you're trying to get ready for a holiday where you want to entertain, a pie plate is one of those universal dishes that you get it and you think, well, I'm going to make pie. But then you realize you can make more things. I've made meatloaf in a pie plate.
That's exactly
Why not?
right. And this is what Temp-tations is all about, magical transformation. So that you can take this beautiful, let's just call it a round baker for right now. Low profile right there. There's where you see the patriotic pattern, but I do want to brag on the server. First of all, I'm going to tip it that way. Do you see how it goes down into the underneath to get your pie out so you are not ruining the pie that you either bought or made, either way. But the fact that it coordinates, I always say when there's a server, it's like, we get it as women, right?
Yeah.
You buy the dress, you saw the earrings, that matched, and you didn't pick it up, and you're like, why didn't I? We included it so you didn't have the choice.
Yeah, it's true.
But all of this, oven safe to 500 degrees, microwave, refrigerator, freezer safe. Look at the quiche that we did
Look
over
right
there.
here, Derek, on the corner of the table. This quiche, I just want to dive into it. I mean, and then it'll be easy to do because you've got your server.
So easy.
To go in there. And I love that there's just a little bit of a point on the end of the server too, so you can really,
cut and serve.
Am I able to get in there? I don't want to mess up your demo for later. I'm not going to get in there because she's going to use it at 5.
I need it. Please don't do that.
You know what I don't want to make Carol do? Bake a whole other quiche in between her shows. Thanks, Mayor. See, that's what 5 years has taught me.
That's what teamwork is all about.
That's exactly right. But you can bake in it is the point. You can also make your cold pies in it and put it into the refrigerator if you would like to. Now listen, we're going to go through our choices again because those of you that have already placed your order, you got your first choice. Those of you that wait a little bit, you're going to get your second choice. Over 300 have already been picked up, and this is a pie plate and a stoneware server for less than $20.
It's amazing.
This palm right here, I mean, fewer than 100 to go around on the palm. Our friend Elise Ivy posted on Facebook that they picked a date for their wedding, and I am positively shrieking. How they live in Florida. How beautiful would that be?
That
in
would be
Florida with the palm?
Stunning.
Come on.
Yes.
And then we've got patriotic as the next choice. I mean, we can get the patriotic working year-round, 550
I
left.
love that. I love that.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
that'll take you from Memorial Day to Labor Day and everything in between.
Those are our only 2 seasonals remaining.
That's, wow.
Wow.
Yeah.
Doodle Do, we have 2 colors.
Yeah, I love the red, and I just want to brag on it again a little bit. Look how beautiful that is. With the, right there, the rooster in the middle, and then we call this our cobblestone pattern. But look at the outside of the dish. I mean, I'm going to try, Mare.
Oh, Mayor, what am I... Oh, look at Derek. He's like, ladies, don't hurt yourself. I'll get it.
That took too long, didn't it? Never mind. Couldn't figure it out. But look at the beautiful accent that goes all the way around. The fluting along the edge right there. It'll keep hot foods hotter longer, cold foods colder longer. Like, I could see doing a charcuterie board in here.
Oh, yes.
Layer everything in. This is what I get so excited.
I love
Derek,
it, too.
I know you guys laugh at me because
No, I love it.
this piece, you hold up a $20 bill, you get a pie server.
Well,
and
I'm
a pie
excited
dish.
because I haven't heard it Mary in a long time.
Not this close. Not this close.
But you know what? We've got the black also. So there are fewer than 500 in the black.
Wow.
Now, the woodland choice, these are your 4. You've got buttercream up front, fewer than 300.
Wow.
Ooh, the woodland white. Most popular, there are 600 remaining. We have the woodland in the gray, fewer than 200 remaining, and then we have the woodland in the slate blue.
So,
Fewer
Wow.
than 100.
Okay.
It's $4 on Easy Pay to get it home. 5 easy payments of 4. Remember, we have a big Now You're Cooking week happening. You're
We
seeing
sure
a
do.
lot of Temptations. There's going to be a lot of new still coming from Temptations, possibly this weekend.
possibly tomorrow.
But less than $20 for this pie plate,
Yes.
that price goes away tomorrow. So you don't want to wait until then to pick it up. You want to get it to, what's in there?
Just, I don't know, just a little caramel apple drizzle, pecan, chocolate chip.
I think I dreamt
tart.
about it.
I mean, look at this. You know how hard this is? It's all sticky and gooey, but not in Temptations, not in stoneware. This is the perfect shape in the round. It's the perfect size at that great 9-inch. I just love this.
Yeah.
And here's what I love about this. The fact that you can prep, cook, serve, and store all in one dish. And it's so pretty.
And you know, I look at it too as this is also your baker that you reach for. You get a couple pieces of Faroe Island salmon to make for dinner.
Yeah.
You put them right in here and you bake them in the oven, and now it's your baker.
Yes.
So I mean, I love using pie plates for just when it's me and Mr. D and we're trying to roast something off in the oven.
Sure.
You want to make a little side of oven roasted potatoes. This is your
Love.
baker. Like, this is the one that's you're going to reach for it time and time again. So don't let the name just pie plate fool you.
Yes.
This is one that you're going to be using for lots of different things.
I love it. And what would you
Yeah.
think of picking up 2 and now it becomes your cake pans? So you can make a double layer cake, like 2 9-inch cakes right there. That's why when you see things at this value, you want to pick it up. We don't. Are you ordering over there?
I might be.
We don't have any plans right now to have this come back in stock. So if it's something that you're looking at for the summer months, this is a must-have. That beautiful design, all hand painted on the inside. Look at the outside and that beautiful fluted edge, and then you're getting a coordinating server. If you bought this in metal, you would pay this price. This is all done by an artisan.
Well, and we love that too when it comes to Temptations, and that's what we've come to expect. 25 million sets
Amazing.
sold.
Yes.
And one more, just from my pocket. But let's review your choices at home because, quite frankly, you don't want to wait on any of them. Here is the palm choice. Gorgeous. Fewer than 100 to go around. Here's your patriotic choice. Fewer than 500 to go around. Here is the red doodle do. Fewer than fewer than 1,200 to go around.
Got it.
Then we have the black doodle do. Fewer than 500 to go around. Next up, we've got the woodland in the buttercream. Fewer than 300. How's woodland white?
Oh.
Fewer than 600. Woodland in the gray. Fewer than 200. And then we have woodland in the slate blue. Fewer than 100 to go around. Less than $20. I mean, 500 have already been picked up in the show, and we kind of thought that's how it was going to go.
We kind of thought.
Because at $4 Easy Pay, this is a great one that can work into the budget easily, and you're going to use it for years and years to come. Dishwasher safe.
Yes.
Hello.
Sign me up.
Will you please come back?
Oh, yeah, you can't get rid of me today, my friend.
God. Thank goodness.